All right, boys and girls, what is going on? My name is Adam Lucy, and this is MovinWeight Fishing, and today we are leaving beautiful Jupiter Inlet. There's a lighthouse, and there's the inlet up there, and we are absolutely loaded down. We are going to Grand Cay for a 7-day trip on my 25 Parker. We got Matty Byrne, what's going on? We got the Red Ghost, and we got Annie Bird, and we are absolutely loaded down. 5-0, this is for you. And we literally have stuff to live for the next year. Rods, 1,000 pounds of ice, food, gear, clothes, this, that, and the third. We are sitting low, but good thing we got new Suzuki's. But anyways, we're about to ride out of Jupiter Inlet, and I want to take you guys with us. We're going to film 5-6 more videos for the next couple days. I want you guys to stay tuned for every single part of the video, and stay tuned. We're about to head out of Jupiter Inlet. Everything good, right? Everything good, bud. Eat, and we will see you. All right, boys and girls, we just made it to West End, Old Bahama Bay in the Bahamas. Boat sinking, and it was a beautiful crossing. We had really nice weather for the most part, little drizzle there, and Anika's has a broken back, so every little wave we hit, she was in shambles about it. But what is this floating here? Got a plastic bag. Careful here, Reach. You got to save the turtles, boys. You got to save them, but they also need to eat. So we're about to pull up to the dock and grab some fuel, clear customs. Reach, what do you think, man?
Boys are here. The crew's here. The crew. Cruising permit.
You have your LBO number?
Oh my god. LBO.
Oh boy. Oh boy. We'll see who's over here. Maybe see Christo from the High Life. Maybe see Tom Tom. Who's that contender?
Oh, it's another 44 spot.
Yeah, it is. We'll see. We are pulling up. There's a lot of boats here though, boys and girls. This is crazy. There's way too many people here. Way too many people here.
What's good? Me and the bird. Some nice herbal tea.
One to be true. Alrighty, we are out of West End. Just flew the drone for a little bit, and we are head due east. All right, boys and girls, we made it to Grand Cay. Yay! Grand's a very small island, but we love it here. Right now, Ryan's about to pull up to a spot called Funny Cut Little. Boys made it to Grand on the Parker. What a long run that was. Let me tell you what. So we had about 2 hours to West End, then about 2 hours here total. So not too bad, 4 hours. Obviously some stops in between, how to get gas, how to clear customs, yada, yada, yada. But that is Funny Cut, Little Grand Cay Abaco. Technically part of the Abaco, but I don't think so. And we got, this is the Funny Cut. No, you cannot get a sport boat through here if that's what you're asking. Oh yeah, bye. Yes, it is a very, very scoshy cut to get through, but this is the perfect boat for it. So stoked to be here, boys and girls. Beautiful Bahamas. What's going on, boy? All right. Say what's up to the YouTube channel. Look at him scooting around. Oh yeah. Oh, something's not right there, boys. Something is not right. Just checking out the motor. Uh-oh. Ryan, he's having motor issues? Huh? Look. Motor issues he's having. Sorry for that, brother. Wish we could get him a nice Suzuki on the boat. Palm City Yachts. Jonathan Foster at Palm City Yachts. Let's get him a Suzuki. Can we do that? But we are pulling up to Grand, and we are going to back the boat in. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we just got in our slip at Grant. We got Hilton. Hilton, what's going on, brother? What's your name?
I'm Gata.
Gata?
Joey.
Joey. And then we got the man. We're unloading some stuff right here. Let me get by you guys real quick, one of you. And we got the man 5-0 taking care of the place. What's up, 5-0? Say what's up to the MovinWeight YouTube channel.
It's all good. MovinWeight, baby. MovinWeight all the way.
Yeah, boy. Everything good here. Everything's good. So we are going to unload the rest of our stuff and start doing some tuna fishing here in a little bit. Hopefully we catch some yellowfins, 5-0.
Definitely, yellowfin as well.
Yeah, man. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we just met some subscribers at Grand. What's your name?
I'm Robbie.
Robbie?
I'm Aiden.
Aiden?
Yes, sir.
Drop a like because they've always dropped a like and watched the YouTube videos, so we really appreciate that. What do we got to say, boys? MovinWeight?
MovinWeight, buddy. We're going to go kill some hogs here in a little bit.
That's right. That's right. All right, boys, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, boys and girls, we just pulled up to a little bait spot, and it's obviously the afternoon. Don't see any really birds working. We got one little bird right here, but I'd like to see the pelicans diving on them. But we will find them. They're here. All right, we found some sandy keys. We're about to throw it in there. Some are blowing up on them. Oh my God, look at them all. Stop. Whoa. There's thousands, dude. You get it right. One more and we should be good. Anika, you want to hold the GoPro? Because Matt's going to grab the basket for me.
Ryan got the basket.
Alright, we got some big sandy keys. But there's all this crud in the water. I feel like we're in Poodle Bay, dude. Oh! Nice one. Alright, in the well, boys, in the well. There's about 1,000 baits next to me. Get an aerial view, Matt. Ready? There we go. Air rank. I can throw. Oh, we still crushed them. By the way, I'm using the 12-foot 1/4-inch black pearl cast nets. And look at that. That is a result. Well, full of sandy keys, baby. I don't know. I've never seen all this crud here. Didn't crush them there. Got a pretty good throw there, boys and girls. Look at these baits. They're just millions swimming around the cast net. Oh, I got some real pilchers, Ryan. See a couple of those real pilchers? See them?
Those are nice organisms.
Those are absolute large and in charge. Look at this sandy key. That is the size of a sardine, you guys. The pilchers do not get any bigger. Those things fucking. We got a really nice flock of birds up in front of the boat here, as you can see. Really, really nice. And we were pulling up on them here in about. How'd they look, Matt? All right, like they're not working? They're around, they're still forward. All right, that looks like a giant mark to me. We'll see. You said forward? I've never seen this. Stop! Hey. What are you doing? type of birds are these? You guys are gonna get, dude, are you? I've never seen this. Look at these birds in my popper. A tuna's gonna blow one of these birds out of the water. Oh my God, babe, how is this my fault? Yes. Bird.
That other one's trying to eat it out of his mouth. What are you doing?
Keep letting it. What do you want me to do? Look at them on the chunks. I've never seen this, Ryan. The birds are in the chunks.
Hopefully me and Ryan.
Nah, you guys should be straight. I've never seen birds like this, you guys. Look at them. Here, Ryan. Crest one.
Let him grab it again.
Oh my God, look at them on the sandy key.
Oh, look at
They
them
look
on
like
top.
dude, they look like penguins.
You see them on top of the water activating?
Crazy stuff here, boys. Did mark a couple fish, nothing crazy, but didn't get bit. Did see 2 yellowfins air out when we were first rolling up, but didn't get bit. I don't know. All right, we're changing gears. We have like 20 minutes left of daylight and we need to catch dinner. We could not catch a yellowfin tuna because they were not existing. What happened, honey?
I just dropped my fish right in the water.
You dropped your fish. Not the bite we're looking for, but it feels like a little strawberry grouper. Oh! Would you look at that? Captain Christopher? No, Coney. Or, yeah, right? Kahosney? How did he eat that? I don't know, but we're gonna let him swim another day. I don't know, but Daddy needs a new bait. Fighting like a big black, Ryan. Oh my God. Literally big black. Oh my God, Lord heavens, please. It's literally a big black, Ryan. Someone's gonna come grab this leader for me?
Everything good?
Everything very good if this is a big black. It's gotta be, no? Oh my God, you see that head shake? Sharky?
The black's not doing that.
Sharky?
Yeah, it just got 8.
Did just get 8.
Yeah, it got 8.
I don't know, it's really freaking weird.
Yeah. But also, could be nice.
No, it feels heavy as shit.
It's a nice AJ.
I think it is.
I got a piece of coral.
Coral Reach? Coral Reach? Fuck. Get this fish up. Okay, what are these stuff?
How is it not right here?
Yeah, there's 70 feet. I see it.
Is it?
Yeah.
For sure?
Yeah.
Their tunas are flaring out on the chomers. Welcome back underwater. Everybody watching at home. This is the opening clip, and this is actually Ryan lining up on a very, very healthy hogfish. I'll just let this clip play out.
Dude, literally just shot like a 15-pound hog. Giant. Like a 15-pound hog. He pulled off, dude. Shot him right in the cheek. Literally massive, dude. Can you hand me my dive light? Yeah, he's definitely in here somewhere. Hand me my dive light. Dive light.
So Ryan shot that fish and actually pinned himself against the rock, and his lip tip never engaged, but he looked around the dive light and says he found the hogfish, so he's going to make a drop on it here. barely see him right here. Beautiful stone shot.
Not him. Yo, it's a different one. Still nice.
I want that big one, Ryan. I want that big one.
I'll get it.
All right, so here's what we got going on right now, boys and girls. We got Ryan and Matt in the water. I'm driving the boat. I'm on boat duty, standard. And we got Anika perched up in the beanbag doing some tanning. And it is day 2 in the beautiful Bahamas in Grand Cay. And we're diving right out front of Grand Cay. And we got a couple heads marked here on some nice hogfish. The weather was a little bit cruddy this morning, but it just cleared up and now it is absolutely gorgeous. This is day 2, like I said. Yesterday was a lot of traveling and we only got to fish for about 3 hours. And we struck out, didn't even find a yellowfin. So Ryan just shot a pretty nice sized hogfish. He said the one before this was the biggest hogfish he's ever seen. He said he shot about a 15 pounder and it tore off. This one's still nice, we'll take it.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice one? Yeah, that'll work. How big was the other one?
Twice the size.
Your kit, you gotta find him.
He's so big, dude.
Is he in there?
He has to be.
That's a good one. That one will definitely do. Beautiful. Ryan. Okay, Ryan just did some type of porpoise maneuver. It's a beautiful, beautiful hogfish here in the Bahamas. Let me show you guys for size reference. It's probably about a 7-8 pounder. Beautiful.
Not too bad. Go put him on ice.
Yeah, we will. Ryan lined up on a, not a big hogfish by any means, but still plenty legal size and good eating size. I'm not sure what he was doing there, quite honest. Skimmed right over its back. And here we are again with another decent little hogfish. And nothing was sticking. Nothing was sticking here.
I tried to stuff a hog. Is it red?
Here's Matt Byrne going down to size up a couple fish. He sees a couple hogfish. You see the one in the bottom of the frame there, and then one in the front, and they ended up being just too small to shoot, so we let them swim. But it's still beautiful to see.
Not a small.
And I actually ended up hopping in the water here. This is, as soon as I got in the water, I saw a giant hogfish swim into this cave, and I actually followed him and let it fly. You guys will see the rest. Shot him. He went to rip the pole spear out of my hand and fly back into that cave, and I held on because it would have went too far, and it ripped out.
I shot like a 14 pounder and it ripped off. What do you mean reload? Careful, because there's a shark right here, right? Anika, what do you mean reload it? Right, that was definitely one of the bigger hogs I've ever seen. Like a 13-pound hogfish.
So I wanted to get Anika her first hogfish here. So I spotted that fish when I was down there picking up my pole spear, and she swims down to try and line up a shot. She ends up missing. That's okay. That's part of learning.
Oh, that was a nice one. And he just missed like an 8-pounder. That was a nice one, dude. You gotta line up like this.
We actually end up seeing an even nicer fish right there. You can see it. And we're gonna let Annie pursue this fish. She actually ended up chasing this fish for quite a bit. I think she took a shot on it and missed. It was very spooky. Went into a little rock. I was trying to look for it. And I ended up seeing a hogfish swim right out at me. I don't know. I don't believe it was the same one, but still a decent sized fish. And I load my pole spear, shoot him right in the face. You could just hear him vibrating. I stoned him, and somehow the slip tip didn't engage. I don't know what was going on.
Drill a hog. There, bro. I'm done. Get in the boat. I shot 6 hogs.
As you could see and hear there, the boys were a little bit frustrated, so we ended up moving spots. I don't know what was going on. We had some bad juju there, and went into a little bit deeper water. We were diving some shallow water coral heads to start when he first saw us, and now we are on some more kind of a little bit ledgy bottom, out a little bit deeper. And Ryan shot a nice little hogfish.
Nice shot.
So I remember this drop pretty clearly. I saw a huge Nassau grouper pop into this cave right here, and I'm on my way down, about to load the pole spear, and I think I'm gonna turn my GoPro on, and sure enough, I turned it off. So you're only gonna see the returning clip of me with the Nassau grouper, so I do apologize for that.
Dude, I got to turn my GoPro for a shot. Listen, I called Anika to come grab us. Come here, babe. And then I was like, whoa. Maybe I swim over. She's like a 60-pound tube. Dude, I thought I just come over there. Big AP, right on there.
I turned my GoPro off literally right when I was about to shoot that fish. That's a huge Nassau. Got to be 25-pounder. Absolute group of a Nassau. Try and shot it. All right, you guys. Just shot that big Nassau, probably like 25, 28 pounds. Ryan shot that nice hog. I saw an African pompano, saw a big cubera, saw a mutton, and we gutted those fish, threw the guts in the water.
Close your bill. Head up. Nice, honey. Oh, you gotta set it a little bit harder next time. Keep your eye there. Yo! What do we got? Whoa! Holy smokes! What? Babe, that thing almost came right in the boat. Barracuda shoals. Nice, baby. Anika with the nice barracuda shoals here. Oh, perfect release. Good job, baby.
We're diving about some 35 to 50 foot stuff. And Matt drops down. He says he sees a nice hog, but it's actually pretty funny. He drops down and he couldn't find it. was just down there munching on the sand, but sometimes you lose that fish and it's out of frame and you can't see it anymore. But I went down, so we gotta have a backup diver. What a nice holding shot in the head there. I went for the stone shot, but it was just a little bit high, I think.
I didn't mean to do it to you like that. I was like, Matt, I was trying to grunt. He was straight under you. No, he just camo. I had the worst breathe up because I was just gonna go down and film you. That was a good find from up top though. That thing was blended in, dude. That was funny. Not awesome, but good thing I was following that because that's what happened. These things would go camouflage like that. Oh, nice head grouper, smoke in the trunk.
We actually were throwing a couple baits over the side of the boat while we were all sitting taking a little lunch break, and I hop in, there's a little Kubera snapper eating the chunks, but he wanted nothing to do with me, to say the least. Tried and dropped as nice and slow as I possibly could, but it's just hard to chase these fish. You can hear my ears. I actually had some congestion this day. He's spooked. Matt says he saw a nice Nassau grouper go into this hole. Accidentally shot there. I think it just said it slipped out of his hand, but I believe we never found that thing either.
I'm not having to shoot it. What do you got? What is it? I get it. Alright, I want to go down there. Hold this. Hey, Matt. I want to get like right behind you and go down there and film it.
I was grunting at Matt because his slip tip had come off, so I didn't want him to try and shoot.
That's why I said no. I didn't see anything.
A nice old white snapper came in and shoot him, give him the Bahamian. And he totally slipped it. He totally slipped it. So we came back in mainly to look for some conch. And we saw some heads while we were looking around, but this is the prettiest conch I've ever seen. It's actually called a queen conch. And it's delicious, but we saved the shell, that's for sure. I've never seen a conch like this.
Dude, this is one of the prettiest conch I've ever seen. That's so sick. Yeah, man!
Alright, so we just got back to the dock. This is the man 5-0 here. And remember, you guys saw the video of me picking up this conch. Absolute beautiful, get a close up there with the camera. And I've never seen a conch look like that. And 5-0 told me it's a rare conch.
Yeah, it's a king shell.
What's it called?
It's a king shell.
King shell.
King, yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. And, we're gonna put it in the freezer, right?
Yeah, and let it die so the shell wouldn't damage. Take the conch out. You have a lovely shell to keep home on your dresser counter.
Sweet.
Beautiful, yeah.
And then, yeah, we're gonna give that to Anika as a little present.
Yep.
So we got a couple other conchs there in the bucket, and we got a couple fish to clean. We're gonna clean a couple fish, and then what we got for dinner tonight, Fivo?
Crack conch, grouper.
All right. Everything good?
Yep.
Everything good. Alrighty, the sun is setting. I don't know when the last time I updated you is, but shot about 6 hogfish, a nice Nassau, caught a vagrant yellow jack, a mutton, and right now the sun is setting. Look how beautiful the whole island is. Sunset is over there, and there's Annie. There are the boys. There's the moon. Doing moon-ass things. Here's my sands. And we are gonna go get some dinner. Apparently we're going to Fivo's for dinner. So we're gonna take you guys with us and eat some of that Nassau grouper. All right, we just came over to Fivo's house.
I had a hard day.
Fivo, you had a long day?
Yeah.
Why's that?
I had 15 hours.
What? 15 good hours,
15
huh?
good hours.
That's right. And then coming over here, and this is Fivo's son Corey.
How you doing?
What's going on? Say what's up to the YouTube channel.
YouTube?
Yes, sir.
What's up, YouTube?
And
Chef for the night.
yes, Corey is a chef for the night. And we are cooking some of the fish we caught, some Nassau grouper and some conch. What are we doing, frying it?
We're doing some crab conch and some fish fingers.
Beautiful. We got it cooking in here. Oh, we got some peas and rice. Yeah, everything good?
Don't be shy. This is good sauce.
All right.
For the conch and the fish.
Corey whipped up some dinner here. What do we got here on the side?
Bohemian
Potato salad.
mashed potato. Potato salad. Potato salad. It's not mashed potato.
Looks
Potato
good.
salad. It is great.
Yeah, it is good. You good? Maddie B.
That's good.
Boys are getting quiet here on me. Fivo, what do we got? Come on.
Hungry.
Crab conch. Some beautiful Nassau grouper that you caught today.
That's right. That was a nice Nassau, Fivo.
Oh yeah, 27 pounds, man. Over 30
Probably,
pounds.
I would think so. I would think so. He's right up there. We should have weighed him. I had a scale on the boat. What's the record? I was trying to look it up.
I weighed the head, the carcass that you gave me,
Yeah,
and that was 19 pounds. I think it's pretty. That was big.
that's a big carcass.
That is big.
Do you know what the world record Nassau is?
I tell you what, I've never seen a 30-pound Nassau.
No.
No.
That one had to be darn close.
Yeah.
Matt, we got to get a fish taste test here.
All right.
What do we got?
Let's see. It's good.
Good? Good stuff? So we got the fish, we got the rice, we got some Bahamian mashed potatoes.
Raw, it's really good.
I'm gonna try the fish here. And we got some special sauce that Corey made. Mm-hmm. That's right, Corey.
Oh yeah.
Very good. See you in a little bit. Alrighty, it is the next morning. We're back at the house, and I'm finishing day 1 of the Bahamas video. If you guys enjoyed that diving footage, we didn't have much footage for you, but we still had a really good time. Go ahead, drop a like, subscribe for Reed.
Yeah, boys.
We are in the Bahamas still, and right now it is raining. And we are getting ready to go tuna fish, but we're about to start video number 2. If you guys want to watch video number 2, you better subscribe and stay tuned because it's coming out shortly. MovinWeight's out.